Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm nervous. Why? I don't know. I'm MBM official Bianca Maria, or you can call me Bibi. It's more easy for you, I think. So, as you can see on the title, I'm doing what I got for my birthday. And my birthday was 1 month ago. I know I had to make this video long time ago, but I didn't have time and I was full with my homeworks and projects. Okay, so in that period of time, my mama got me a lot of stuff. She's not buying me stuff just because it's my birthday. If she sees something she thinks I need or I like, she just go and got this for me. Another thing I have from my mama is here in this cute bag. And this is the box. It's so cute. It's looking really good. Unboxing. It's a ring. Another thing from my mom is here. It's an angel from Raphael, if you know. Look. So, oh, you can see it. Yay! Okay, so I have this and this necklace, and I will put them together. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's my mama again. Okay, this is the bag and this is the box. Look, it's a bracelet, a gold bracelet. It's so nice, but I can't put by myself. But it's still cute. I have this bag, again from my mama, and I wear it almost every day. So that's why it's full of crayon stuff, and it's just, I have to clean it. Okay, here a coin and a ticket. So yeah. And this can be, oh my god, you can get this out like this. It's nice. At my birthday, I was out with my ex-classmate and a good friend is David, and here is the present. He got me this cute top. It's so cute. I didn't wear it because I wanted to make this video, so yeah, that's why, but I will wear it, I promise. Okay, so my dad and my grandparents from my dad's side sent me some money, and thank you. I just woke up and my aunt was at my apartment, and she got me this camera bag I used once. Inside is full of things. Here I had money. Here is a lip gloss, a liquid lip gloss. I have nail polish and this hair mask. I tried and it's not the best for my hair, but I appreciate this, so thanks. This palette from Tanya Bur. I don't know if I pronounce good or not, but just sorry. I have this you put this out, and is this sponge full of pigment, or I don't know how to name it. And I'm a little bit scared to use it because it's a little bit too dark, but I will try it. So this is all that I have for this video. Okay, so if you think you like me, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see me more. And a big hug. See you next time. Bye!